Hi, my name is Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a hand knit couch cushion, and we need yarn, a cushion insert, scissors, and a measuring tape. We begin by making the slip knot, and we're gonna insert our fingers to create chains, a chain. We're gonna create it as long as the pillow is. My pillow is about 12 inches, so you need to make it as long as the pillow. Okay, we're almost done with the chain. Okay, so now we're gonna pull through the loops on top of the chain to create stitches, and we leave them raw like that. Like they were on a needle. Make sure they're all pretty much constant in length. When we're done with this side, we're gonna go on the other side. Hide that tail. So now we're gonna make the stitches in the stitches we created and we left open like that. Make sure you don't twist it. Okay, so that's the second row. Perfect. And we're gonna continue until we have a little bit of rows, and then we're gonna pull, we're gonna fold it in half, and we're gonna knit it pretty much in the round so that we don't create a little gap on the edges. So it's going to be in the round pretty much. Okay, I want to change the colors, and what I'm gonna do for changing the colors is to just cut it, make a knot, and we continue as normal. And I chose to change the color at the beginning of the new row. Okay, and we continue knitting. So you're gonna pull the knot through the stitch. Okay. And this is a stockinette stitch pattern. Okay, here we are at the knot, and now we are hiding it. And as soon as we knit as much as the pillow is, the pillow dimensions, we're gonna cast it off by pulling the yarn, like weaving it through the stitches, mirroring stitches at once. Here I missed filming the casting off, so it's only weaving in the ends and making a knot and hiding it. And here we are. I actually made 2 pillows, same colors, but the second pillow has more of the dark charcoal than light gray. So we're making a knot, cut off the yarn, and we're gonna hide it under. Now this is the second pillow, and we're gonna do the same exact thing. I just changed the colors. Keep on knitting with your fingers. Okay, we're almost at the end, and we pull the yarn through the first stitch, and then we're gonna pull the yarn through all the stitches, mirroring 2 by 2. Like that. We catch them and we pull through them. And at this point you're pretty much done. Came a little undone because I was out of yarn. Okay, so this is how it is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.